Right now I'm headed to AR Motorsports to check up on the Evo. We're gonna hop into M3.
Happy Diwali! How many flames?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Horsepower Cartel. Honestly, just rushed out of my house, forgot to even get my camera. I had to take Shadow to the spa. It was so late, and the guy who takes care of Shadows was so pissed off because I was literally so late. But anyways, as you can see, my hair is all messed up. I literally just ran out of the house. I'm recording on my phone, but I thought I must show you guys and must share with you guys. Right now, I'm headed to AR Motorsports to check up on the Evo. He got the paint on the car, kind of to give me a sample to see what it looks like. Obviously, I'm not going to show you guys, but we can go check out the car and get some updates. So yeah, let's go. I'm stuck in this traffic now, so I'm not really too happy about it, but gotta do what you gotta do, man. The traffic's only getting worse and worse in Mumbai, so I plead to you guys, get out only if you have to. If not, stay at home. Here we are, guys. The Evo is in complete pieces. Now, Ranjit went ahead and hit up one piece of the fender. I don't want to show you guys because it is the color we're doing. Here's the wheel, one of the wheels. It is one of the colors. It is the color that we might be doing, or we are doing. Here it is in pieces. Looking good. All the body line, everything is perfect. All sorted. Eventually, we're gonna take the motor out and do the engine bay too. So, and well, go ahead and switch to black and white because here is the color.
The next day. 3 hours later.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Tonight our boy Rashad, if you guys remember, the Sakir Orange M4 that's always out with us in a weekend tour crew, he's leaving to go to the UK for his studies. So today we're just doing like a goodbye last drive for him. So we're gonna hop into M3. We're also gonna sit in the M3 for the first time after the tune. Yeah. You're gonna sit in someone else's car and get some nice flame footage for you guys. So let's go.
When my friends go, it was simple. When the ends low, switch the tempo. I got right, I got heart, I won't die, I'ma fight. I go down, bet I strike, I go hard day and night, yeah. Go hard, or go home. Go hard, or go home. Go hard, or go home.
big like your
Yeah, look, yeah, down low, up top, on my way to the bag at the bus stop, some blow, some flop, I ain't get my shot yet, but I'm gon' pop, don't stop, keep going, I got this mantra in my head, it make me keep flowing, pour shots, keep pouring, it's no more vodka in my head, got no release for it.
Alright guys, fun night, you know, driving around, a lot of flames, a lot of popping, everyone was going nuts over the flames.
We'll get another better video.
We'll get in a better video, you know, we got some clips, you know. Shout out to my boy Rashad, he's gonna be missing out on the drives now because he's going to London to study, so enjoy your time there, man, we're all gonna miss you. See you guys soon on another episode of Horsepower Cartel.